This week I took 3 losses in a row, like 3 good losses in a row. Yo guys, so good morning guys. So today is Tuesday and I'm currently in on this sell trade on USDCHF, and as you guys can see, we're on profit on this particular trade on USDCHF. Let me open my account so that I'll show you guys the profit I'm currently making on my account. So guys, so this is the profit I'm currently making on my account, and yeah, so this is everything. So if this trade should go against me, I'm losing about $23, and if this trade should go in my direction, I'm making about $77 and then I also have another pending sell order on EURJPY, and I shared all this trade on my free Telegram group. If you want to see all my trade, receive all my trade, just join the free Telegram group. The link is in the description box of the video. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on how this trade finally plays out. This is the account balance and everything from last week video, and then the trade on NZDJPY. Then I'm going to explain why I closed the trade. I'm going to give you guys an explanation to why I closed the trade. So if you haven't watched last week episode, just go to my channel. You'll see last week episode. It's gonna be the video before this particular video you guys are watching now. So I'll catch you guys up. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's go. So guys, as you guys can see, a few minutes later we hit a sell on USDCHF. We hit a sell. So let me show you guys the amount I lost on my account. So guys, this is the history and this is the amount I lost on my account. Right, I lost about $25. That's about 0.5% of my account. And now this is the account balance. So as you guys can see, that's the account balance. We are still up about 3%. Remember, it's 8% to pass the account, so we are up more than 3%. So we need about 4.70%, or let me just put it 5% to pass the account, and that's about $250. So that's what I'm working towards, getting $250. That is 5% to pass this account, and then it's a one-step challenge. Once I just pass this account, once I just get this 8%, I get the live account. So guys, that's it. So this is the trade on USDCHF. We already hit a sell on this particular trade. Now I'm just waiting for this one on EURJPY. If this one plays out well, then we are up on this account and we're also up for this week. But if this one doesn't play out well, then we are down 1% for the week. So I'll catch you guys up when this EURJPY gets triggered. Yo, let's go. You guys, so we hit a sell on that particular trade on USDCHF. We hit a sell. Now, to those of you guys that watched last week episode, you guys know that I was swinging a sell trade on NZDJPY, right? And I told you guys in last week episode that I'm going to be holding that trade till this week, right? Now, yesterday, which was Monday, I closed the trade, and this is the amount I closed the trade. I closed it for about $10 profit, and then the market actually gave me a, should I say, a confirmation setup on the lower time frame. So that's why I closed the trade, so that I can take the confirmation setup, right? And then the confirmation setup will play out fast because it's on the lower time frame than for me holding that particular trade on the higher time frame, like on the 1 hour time frame, and then it's taking time. Before that market even gave me about 1:1, it took way longer time. So I was like, okay, let me go to the lower time. So when I went to lower time frame, I saw another confirmation entry. So I decided to take that, to close the position I had on NZDJPY, and then put a sell order for on the confirmation entry. Don't worry, I'm going to put this the trade here. But so the market didn't come back to that my level that I wanted to sell from. The market just crashed all the way down. And as I'm talking, as I'm speaking to you guys right now, the trader has smash TP, right? The trader smash TP. Am I hot? No, I'm not hot, you understand me. I mean, I told myself that I'm going to set and forget that trade, but I didn't do what I said, right? Instead, I did another thing. Well, lesson well learned, right? So that trade on NZDJPY is a bygone, right? It's a bygone. That's already smashed TP. I can't do anything again. And then this one on USD, had it been that I held that trade would have smashed TP. I would have made about 1.5%, and then I took a loss today. It means I would have been up 1% because I always go from 1:3. So 1.5% from the NZDJPY trade minus this 0.5% loss on USDCHF, I'm supposed to be up about 1%, but I closed the trade. So it is what it is. It is what it is. So we're gonna go again. I'm waiting for this one on EURJPY. If this one plays out well, fine, we are up for the week. If this one doesn't play out well, then we are down for the week about 1%. Right? Last week was a losing week. I lost about 0.5% last week, and then this week, I don't know if this week is also going to be a losing week. But today is just Tuesday. We have Wednesday, we have Thursday, we have Friday. So let's see how the week plays out. Keep you guys updated. Yo guys, so this is the next trade I took, which is the second trade, and this is a trade on EURJPY on the 5 minute time frame. As you guys can see, this is a screenshot, right, and not a video, because the video, the recorded video actually made when I was placing my sell limit on my account is not processing on my editing app, so I decided to make use of the screenshot and then add a voiceover. So yeah, let's go. Yo guys, so today is Wednesday. It's actually the next day, and that trade has hit my stop loss. That trade on EURJPY, it has hit my stop loss. I'm going to put the screenshots here, and then I'm down about 1% for this month, right? And then yes, I'm down 1% for this month, 1% for this week. So I'm going to put the screenshots here, right? I'm going to put the screenshot here or here. I'm going to put it there. So guys, yeah, so I'm down 1%. All I just need is just one good trade, and I'm up for this week again. I'm up for this week because I always go for 1:3 and I risk 0.5%. So if I should go for 1:3, risking 0.5%, and that trade goes in my direction, I'm going to make about 1.5%. Now 1.5% minus the 1% that I'm down for this month or for this week, that's 0.5%. Don't confuse. It's not confusing, right? So that's all I need. I just need one good trade and I'm back up for this week. So guys, today is Wednesday. We still have Thursday, we still have Friday, and I have like 2 losses already for this week. I'm not, should I say I'm going to stop trading? No, I'm not going to stop trading. But I have trading rules that limit me to taking multiple trades per week. Understand me? So I've not like reached that maximum level yet, or that maximum amount of trades I'm supposed to take per week. So I'm still looking at the chart, I'm still looking at the market. If I should see any setup that looks good, I'm going to take the trade. Understand me? I'm going to take the trade, but the thing is to make sure you follow your trading plan. Alright, so that SL was hit this morning, right? I think around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. That's when the SL hit. Yeah, I think around 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Let me just put that 6 a.m. So guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. But for this week, you're already down for this week, you're already down for this month. Just one win and we are back up again. Trust me, guys. Small wins count, small losses count, big wins count, but big losses doesn't count. Make sure you follow risk management. Once you follow risk management, no matter the amount of losses you take, you're gonna be okay, because all you need is just one good trade and you're back up again, or you're on break even. So losses don't scare me anymore, unlike before. Losses don't scare me anymore, right? Because I know that I'm doing the right thing. I'm following risk management. I'm following what I'm supposed to. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I don't have any big loss. All I have is calculated loss. You understand me? And I have big wins and small wins, which actually count. Just like I said, small losses count, small wins count, big wins count, but big losses doesn't count. If you should have a big loss or a loss that goes way far from your, for example, you say you're going to use 0.5% and then you're having a loss of 1%, 1.5%, that's a big loss. It's not a calculated loss. But if you are risking 0.5% and then you have a loss of 0.5%, that's a calculated loss. You understand me? So make sure that all the trades you're going to take, right, make sure that they are following risk management. If they're following risk management, regardless of the outcome of the trade, you're going to be good at the end of the month, or at the end of the week. You're going to be good. Let me just put it, at the end of the month, you're going to be good. Last month I took losses, I took wins, but I was still up last month. On September, I took losses, I still took wins, I was still up last month. So it's not all about the losses, all about the wins, but how much you make from your winning trades and how much you lose whenever you, and how much you lose whenever you lose a trade. I don't know if that makes sense. So guys, that's just it. I don't want to talk much. I'm just looking at the chart. If I see any other setup that looks good, of course I'm going to take it. And guys, I don't know if you guys have observed it. The trades I took this week on the 5-minute time frame, and that's because this week I was actually testing something that I've been back testing. So this is the outcome, but I'm not just pulling down, like I'm not giving up. I'm still going to keep on working on it to see how it improves my win rate. You understand me? Or improves my trading in general. So guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. Link is in the description box of the video. If I see any setup, of course I'll keep you guys updated. Let's go. You guys, so it's another day. Today is Thursday, and you guys won't believe it, right? I took another trade on NZDJPY, but I couldn't record. I saw that trade yesterday night, which was Wednesday. I took the trade. Not that I took the trade, I just placed my sell limit, then I slept off, right? Then when I woke up this morning, market is almost close to my stop loss. Close to my stop. I'm gonna put the trade here. The trade smashed my stop loss. So this is the P&L for the week and also the P&L for the month. So I'm down more than 1%. right? More than 1% for this month. This week is a very, very terrible week, right? A very, very a very, very terrible week, but there are some weeks that are like this, right? There are some weeks that are like this, but I just take losses like back to back. Where there are some weeks that I just take wins. Man, it's part of trading. One thing I'm proud of is that I make sure that I use risk management. You understand me? No matter what happens, whether I'm up on the account or whether I'm down on the account, I make sure I follow my risk management consistently. You understand me? So I'm always risking 0.5%, 0.5%. So for this week, I took 3 trades, right? And those 3 trades were all losses, right? And trust me, I go for only 1:3, right? So if I should win a trade, just one trade next week, because I'm not trading again this week. Today is Thursday. There's no need to trade again. So I'm going to be trading next week. So if I should just get a trade that hits TP, I've covered up all the losses I took this week. It's just very, very simple. Stick to consistent risk management. Whether you're up on your account or you're down on your account, just stick with consistent risk management. And even though you should take losses, if like take 2, 3 multiple losses, you're not like hurt, because you know that just 1 or 2 wins, right, you clear up those losses and also put your account back up. Like just one win I'm going to take, just one TP is going to bring me back at break even. That is going to clear all these losses that I took this week. Just one win, you understand? So this week is not really a good week. Last week, I think I took a loss last week. I can't really remember, but I think I took a loss last week. Yeah, I took a loss last week. Yeah, because I know I took 2 trades last week. The one on NZDJPY and I think the one on EURJPY too. The one on EURJPY was a loss. Then the one on NZDJPY was the one that I told you guys I'm going to hold till this week. But I later closed the trade, waiting for a confirmation that the market gave to me, but the market didn't come back to that my confirmation entry. So that was a mission, and that trade also smashed my TP, right? Yeah, that trade has smashed my take profit. But just like I said, I closed the trade. So for this week, 3 losses on USDCHF, NZDJPY, and EURJPY. You guys, so that's just it. And then that one on EURJPY, the market just took me out and went straight to my direction. That's just the truth. The market took me out and went straight to my direction. I don't know, but it's a losing trade. So it's a losing trade. So there is no need to see, oh, this to give excuse that the market just tweaked me. No, there's nothing like that. The market went against me, so the market went against me. So I'm gonna catch you guys up next week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Join the free Telegram group. The link is in the description box of the video. I don't need to take any other trade this week again, because if I should take another trade this week, it's going to be me over trading, and I don't like over trading. You understand me? So I'm just going to stick with this for this week. Accept it as a losing week, and next week we go again. Catch you guys up next week.